Okay, what we have here is the Hoover Fusion Pet Cordless Stick Vac. We got it at Target using the order online, pick up at store, 23% off. Total price out the door $161.49. There's a little bit of damage on the box right there, but we don't think that's any big deal. It just goes into styrofoam. So we're going to open it up, put it together, and see how well it works. Okay, here we go. We bought this to use in our fifth wheel RV, and we're filming the video inside our fifth wheel RV. Okay, so here's the beater head. It was underneath the styrofoam, and here is everything else, including the corresponding damage I showed in the cardboard box. I don't see any actual damage to the product, just the styrofoam, so that's good.
Oh yeah.
We got an instruction manual. We've got the stick. I assume that's the extension. We've got the vacuum head. Looks like a charger. Oh, that's the bag of attachments. That's the wall mount for the charger. I believe these attachments are what makes this the pet version, the pet hair or whatever they call it. The makes it the pet version instead of the regular version because of these attachments right here. Namely, this one attachment right here.
Yeah.
So
that one and this one right here.
Okay. Yeah, all these attachments. I don't think these attachments come with the non-pet version. We actually got the pet version at a cheaper price than the non-pet version, and even though we don't own any pets, we figured, why not? That's probably the hanger for the wall mount, or the handle. I don't know. This is a charger. Okay, charger.
I think this is the battery.
And the battery. Is it lithium? Yes, it's a lithium ion 2.5 battery. So get rid of that styrofoam. Okay, we're gonna put it all together and I'll get back to you after it's all assembled. Okay, so here's the beater bar or brush head or whatever different people call it. It's got all your swivels and all that. Flip it over. It's got these little wheels right here so it can go on hard floors or help roll on carpet. And over here on the side there's a brush roll release. Makes it easy to pop the brush roll out to clean it. You know, it gets all clogged up with dog hair or carpet fibers and whatnot. So it seems like pretty good quality. It's really nicely built, and seems pretty good so far. Okay, there it goes. That's really quiet. And it does have a motorized brush head beater bar. Some of the stick vacs use the power of the suction to spin the beater bar. This actually has an electric motor driven beater bar. I can't believe how quiet that is. Try and get a close up of the front here. It shows you the battery life. And if it's on carpet or hard floor, you can change it by pushing that. But I have to turn it off. I'm not sure. Supposed to read the directions on that. It can be used on carpeting or hardwood floor. Hard floors. Sucked up the rug. Okay, so far so good. We're gonna demonstrate, see how much dirt we vacuumed up. That little bit of vacuuming we just did. Oops. And you might think we don't vacuum our floors, but we just vacuumed like 2 days ago with our regular RV vacuum cleaner. And I'm going to say that it didn't do a very good job. Oh yeah, we got
that missed.
We'll have to vacuum that up with one of the attachments. So show how that whole cup comes off to get to the filter.
Oh, yeah.
So there's a release on the back. Right here, there's a release.
Right here.
And the whole clear cup, there's a filter right here. I don't know if that's a HEPA filter or not. I would assume it is. That's the most popular thing these days is.
I don't know how it comes off to put a new one on. Oh.
Yeah. You can probably buy new filters and whatnot. But that whole thing comes off real easily.
Might be rinsable.
We don't know if it's washable or we just replace it, but okay, go ahead and put it back together.
Oops.
There you go. Okay, now we're going to show the attachments without using the stick. So let's start with, well, start with whichever one you want and we'll just say what it is.
Okay.
Okay, so you can actually put
this is the head.
The beater bar
head
on, right on. So if you want to do like stairs, carpeted stairs or whatever, even a couch or something, you might want to use this. I don't know, probably not. So that.
If you have a van, you could do your van floors.
Yeah, if you're in a van, you know, lots of RV fans are out there. So that's that one.
And then we have the crevice tool.
The crevice tool. Let's suck up this dirt with the crevice tool. See how well that works.
I gotta grab the battery. We have it on charging.
Okay, stand by for a battery. Now, when we first bought this, we were under the impression that it charges while it's hanging on the wall hanger, but now we found out it doesn't. But go ahead there. How quiet that is. Okay, so that's the crevice tool. We got all the tools right over here and the instruction booklet. So now this is
upholstery.
They call this an upholstery tool.
I believe that's what it's called. It's got like a velvety right here.
Okay.
And then this is the pet tool. It's kind of like a rubber.
Bristle. Oh, this is a rubbery, like little rubbery knobs.
Yeah.
Okay, and it attaches to this.
Right, it attaches to this tool.
And that's what makes it the pet. That's what makes it the pet version of this vacuum. Okay. The heads are easy to change, or the attachments, I should say, are easy to change. And this is last but not least.
It's the brush.
It's a brush. What would you use that attachment for?
Oh, you use it for dusting.
Okay.
Getting dust
like
off.
ceiling fans.
Yeah.
And Venetian blinds and
stuff like that.
Okay. So you can put all the attachments on with right onto the head, or you can put the stick on and put the attachments on the end of the stick to reach up high or whatever.
All the attachments fit in this little bag.
We're pretty impressed so far, and I don't remember what the Amazon price was, but I know that we got a pretty good deal buying it from Target online, and then pick up at the store.
Yeah, you save the 23% by buying it online and picking it up in the store. If you just go in the store to buy it, you don't save the 23%.
Right, you have to do the online order and pick up at store to save the 23%. So, any questions, you can comment below, and I hope this satisfies everybody's curiosity about this particular vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching.